Brought to you by ExpressCare Health and Skin Center. Get in, get out, get better.
Hafa, and welcome back to Healthy Living. Today we're going to discuss the top 10 tips to keep you healthy in the new year. Helping us out is ExpressCare's Dr. Jitka Lom. So Doc, first on the list is number 10, which is drink more water. How can that keep you healthy?
Absolutely. Drink more water. Make it your resolution that you're going to drink water, not juice, soda, beer, all those things. Drink more water because water is going to hydrate you. Your body is 70% water, so put some back. If you drink more water, you'll eat less, you'll lose a little bit more weight, and you'll feel much better. Many times we feel grumpy or unwell, and it's because we're actually dehydrated.
Okay, that's something I definitely have a problem with. I think I drink way too much coffee. But for those who don't really know about how much water they should drink, what is the recommendation?
Just choose to drink enough water. Typically, the 8 glasses a day, a couple liters of water per day, so that your urine is kind of clear colored, not yellowish or dark colored. That's how you know. And the coffee, yeah, try to cut back 1 a day at the most.
Okay. We'll see. I'll try that next year. All right, moving on. Number 9 on our list is stop eating sugar and reduce our rice.
Yeah, so we talked about that a few weeks ago, sugar being the enemy because it's going to raise your blood sugar and make you more prone to diabetes. Of course, there's tooth problems and all that with it as well, especially for your kids. So to combat obesity and have a better sense of wellness, let's eat healthy fruits, vegetables, and other good snacks rather than sugar.
All right, moving on. Number 8 on our list is take a walk.
Take a walk to save your life and help your brain and help your mental faculties and help you live longer. So it's a proven fact that people who take a 30-minute walk per day will live longer. Such a simple thing. And elderly people that walk for 30 minutes a day have better balance, they have better memories, they socially are much better, so especially if you're older. But everyone can benefit from a 30-minute walk to take your heart for a little exercise.
Definitely. It's something I struggle with sometimes, or people who stay in the office a lot. So one tip that I've even heard is when you park in a parking lot, park far away and just walk further.
Far away. Yeah.
Or take the steps instead of the elevator. Simple things you can do.
Yeah, find a way. 30 minutes doesn't seem like a long time when you're watching TV or on your phone or doing all the other things that we think are so terribly important but that really can wait in favor of your health. So put your health number 1, take a walk.
All right, so moving on, number 7 on our list is something that can be somewhat difficult during the holiday season with all the parties going on. But number 7 is cut alcohol.
Yeah, cut alcohol so that you don't gain weight, so that you don't get drunk and get into an accident, and so you don't hurt your liver. And for women, so you don't get breast cancer. And for men and women, so you don't get throat and colon cancer and all the other types of cancer you'll get from too much alcohol. So what's safe? 1 glass of wine, one beer, up to 2 per day is max, okay? And then if you're like, well, I don't drink all week, but on the weekend I drink 20, that's too much. If you're drinking just once per week, then 4 is what the national guidelines say. So after you've had 4 drinks, cut yourself off and drink water, enjoy it, and be healthy.
Okay, so after 2 or 4, that's when you can start seeing the negative health effects.
Yes, for sure. For sure. And many people say, oh, I just drink socially, but all their friends are drinking 6 to 10 beers every single day, and all of that has a really, really bad effect on your mind and your gut as well.
Okay, one tip is if you're out and you just want to have a drink in hand, just get a non-alcoholic drink. And
sure, and nobody's going to know the difference.
Yeah.
And I always tell patients too that they could tell a small fib and say that they've got a health problem, and that will keep their friends off their back.
Definitely. All right, well, our next health tip is to eat your veggies and an apple.
Yes, an apple a day will keep the doctor away, I promise, and it will also reduce your risks of many diseases, including diabetes, including heart disease, including breast cancer. Just 1 apple a day, okay? And then as far as vegetables, try to eat as much green things as you can in a smoothie. If you can't stand to eat salad, put the spinach in your smoothie. But teaching especially children to eat 5 fruits and vegetables per day is super important, plus your apple.
Or, I actually know a few people who have some kind of complexes with vegetables. Not so much fruits, but for people who have difficulty eating vegetables, is there any kind of tip you have to help them
Yeah,
get those nutrients?
yeah. I mean, so we talked about superfoods, super tasters a while back. Some people really cannot stand the texture of vegetables, and that's okay. But you can hide them. You can hide them in your smoothie. You can hide them in foods that you're cooking, in you know, wraps, so that you won't necessarily notice them as much. But you can also just get used to them and choose the ones that you like the most.
All right, thanks so much, Doc. Make sure to stay tuned because up next we'll continue our top 10 tips to keep you healthy in 2016. More when we return.